फॉर्मूला यूज करके.
But you cannot really hate it, because जो सिस्टम है हमारा,
Yeah.
उससे भी प्रोडक्शन जो आया है, प्रोडक्शन इन द सेंस कि हम लोग छोड़ो,
Yeah.
whoever came out of that system,
Yeah.
there are also a lot of high achievers that came out.
Yeah.
I think जो तुम बोल रहे हो ना कि फॉर्मूला याद रखना, ये करना है, वो करना है, I think it's just सेगमेंटिंग मतलब कौन सीरियस है, कौन इंटरनलाइज कर चुका है फॉर्मूलाज को.
हाँ.
आई थिंक वो जितना ज्यादा करोगे वो सीख रहे हो ना तुम.
Outdated systems. Why? Because the chance of him messing up a formula is much lesser, because he will look it up from a document, and it is very the point what I'm telling you here, is that obviously there is a benefit of you remembering all the to-do list and maybe you remembering the formulas क्योंकि तुमको देखना नहीं पड़ रहा है.
Yeah.
But even doctors when they give medicine they will have a guidebook जिसको देख के वो लोग
they Google up. Yeah.
They will Google up and they will do it. Doesn't mean कि उनको doctors पता नहीं है. Doesn't mean कि they have not done the education. They have done the education. Do you know what they're doing it? Because the risk of it up is so high.
Yeah.
No, those situations the risk is so high that you do whatever the fuck it takes. जाके documents देखो, you Google करो, AI use करो, but you do it correctly.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter whether you have internalized it or not. Right? I have not a lot of details.
Yeah.
Because every other situation जहाँ पे मुझे MVP बनाया, or maybe let's say I have to, let me give an example, real world example लेता हूँ. Discord handles lot of data, no?
Yeah.
बहुत सारा data जाता है वहाँ पे. Like people are typing chats, voice chat चल रहा है वहाँ पे, वो सब चल रहा है. If you were to build something like Discord, you can build it with Node.js. You can build it with MongoDB and stuff. Whatever, no? It's very simple. I think Discord used something Cassandra or something use करते थे वो लोग पहले. They had to change the database to SkylarDB or something. Right? उनको database change करना पड़ा. That is to handle a very specific situation जहाँ पे you have, I don't know, hundreds of millions of users all typing chats. And all of those going back and forth in the database millions of times in a second. To handle all those situations, they had to upgrade the DB and वो बंदा always smart and obviously smart ही रहेगा वो.
Right,
He's not going to get dumb. He's like, so that the world we are heading to. See, the thing hopefully I'm trying to put it together for the viewers, and obviously I'm trying to simplify it. Because simplify करोगे तो बहुत सारी चीजें चले जाता है ना, and then you are misinterpreted and people are like ये बोले थे तुम वो बोले थे and stuff जो होता है usually.
Yeah.
But with AI right now, it is basically doing two things. One is dissolving the roles. Second thing, it is empowering people who are lower down the ladder to climb up as well.
Right.
Just based on knowledge.
Right. So let's sum it up this entire discussion, right? Tell me